Okay, so hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is a journal love reading for all the Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Okay, Moon. From 28th of April till the 4th of May. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your reading at all. Okay, and for those of you who wants to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you guys can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self-Love 30 Days Challenge course, links are given below in the description box, honey. So let's start. Okay, Scorpio, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are... We have the Eight of Swords. Okay, there's a sense of feeling trapped in a mental jail kind of a situation, overthinking at its peak. Okay, this person is feeling like feeling mentally trapped and can't stop overthinking about the situation. Let's clarify the Eight of Swords here. We have the Ten of Cups and the Moon card and the Tower. Okay, some kind of this person is realizing something here big time that they were trying to hide from themselves also. It's like they're getting some kind of reality check here, and this reality check is about something related to long-term partnership, marriage, commitment, and now they can't stop thinking about it when the secret is revealed to them. For some of you, they are kind of facing their own feelings. For some of you, the like something related to commitment, marriage, or something like that came out to light, and it's like erupted on their face, and now they are kind of all in their head about it. But they got the reality check about something, and it's kind of making them feel like hell. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? Four of Pentacles. So you feel like holding on to something or someone, being a little bit stubborn as well, like nah, not letting it go. You feel like not letting go of something or someone. Okay, let's clarify the Four of Pentacles here, honey. You. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Eight of Wands, the Ten of Swords. You're holding on to this idea of never opening up to anything or anyone, because every time you do that, it ends up in disaster. You feel like you are just going to hold on to this waiting game, and you're going to hold on to this energy of maybe we are going to do something about this sometime. Right now, nope, not ready, not opening up, not saying anything. I don't care, I don't give a damn, bye. Okay, relax, fine. You are not able to take something positively here, and it's not positive at all, but we are holding on to the pain here. Let's see what this person wants from you, honey. We got the Hanged Man. This person wants to see things from their point of view, from their perspective as well. Okay, because according to them, you're not able to understand their point of view at all. Okay, let's clarify the Hanged Man here. Okay. Okay, honey, don't fall. I'm in love with you. Just stay with me. We have the High Priestess, the Temperance, the Justice. Yeah, they are waiting for the time when you will be able to understand their point of view, and when they will be patiently in this energy of getting the justice from the universe. So this person definitely wants you to see things from their point of view, their perspective as well. Meanwhile, silently and patiently waiting for the time when the justice is going to be served in the situation from the universe itself. Okay, this is what their intentions are. And these are four major arcana cards in this row, in the same row, which means this is something very meaningful and deep for them. They're not taking it lightly at all. Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey, Scorpio? King of Pentacles. So from your side, you just want to sit in your power, and you just want to be very mature and grounded. about the whole situation. You don't want to create any kind of drama here, or you don't want to be in this energy of just do this, do this, do this. Nah. Let's clarify the King of Pentacles. What? You are like looking at me like this. I'm not saying anything to you. Why? So you just want to be happy. Just want to be happy. You just want to move on towards calmer water, find your inner peace, your inner balance. And for most of you, you want to go towards spiritual growth. For others of you, you want to protect your marriage or commitment if you're already married or committed. If not, you are in this energy of wanting to go ahead and finding the right person, finding the spiritual counterpart, divine counterpart that's meant for you. For some of you, you are heading towards spiritual growth. For others of you, you are heading towards something or someone that's meant for you. Okay, by letting go of something or someone that's not good for you, that's not making you feel good about yourself or about life, you are like, I just want to be happy. I just want to move on from this drama. I just want to be with the person that's meant for me for till death do us apart kind of energy. Okay, got it. Why are you angry though? You seem to be very angry on me, not me actually, on maybe yourself. I don't know. But I'm getting a very angry kind of energy from your side. Stop it, honey. It's okay. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 4th of May. We have the 10 of Swords. The worst is over kind of a deal. Okay, let me clarify this 10 of Swords before jumping into any kind of conclusions. Love looks pretty on you, pretty on me. We have, okay, the Knight of Swords, the Lovers, and the Ace of Wands. Oh, God. Just when you think something is over, someone is coming forward towards you with a brand new beginning of, can we start from zero? Okay, one chapter is ending. The worst is over from your life, Scorpio. Something that you were stuck on maybe from quite a long time is going to be over now, from maybe 10 months from now. So the moment you are going to end one chapter, someone is going to enter in your life like a volcano erupting or something, and they are going to be like, hey Scorpio, I want to be with you. I strongly feel for you. I have strong emotions of love and lust both for you. Can we start again? For most of you, this is somebody you know. For others of you, it could be a totally new person, new energy, waiting for something to end in your life so that they can enter just like that. For some of you, it could be very much possible that you are ending a chapter with somebody and straight away going towards a new chapter with someone else or something else that is very, very close to your heart and soul, and you feel very attracted to the idea of going in that new direction, and you're very excited about it. Very happy for you guys, because the moment you're going to end one chapter, a brand new chapter is opening up in a very passionate and loving way, you can say. Okay. Wow, this is good. The outcome is so good. I'm very happy and excited about this for you guys. For you, the guidance here is, no matter how excited and passionate you are feeling about something or someone, be in a patient kind of energy and let it unfold one day at a time. Patience is the key here. Taking things one day at a time kind of thing, kind of energy is a thing here. For some of you are manifesting this, and it's happening already. But if you are going to be impatient about it, if you are going to be in this greedy and needy kind of energy, things might get delayed, and then you are going to get frustrated with yourself and the universe, like, oh my god, you are the one to blame here, not the universe, because the universe has certain laws and it operates in that laws only, with those laws only. Sorry, I'm mad. Anyway, so this is what I have for you. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.